Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an online portfolio with Adobe Portfolio, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Adobe Portfolio website. Log in with your Adobe ID or create a new account. Once logged in, you'll see an option to start a new project. Click on the Create a New Site button. Choose a template that suits your style and needs. Preview the selected template to see how it will appear. When satisfied, click Start Editing. On the left sidebar, find the Site tab. Here, you can modify your site settings. Add a site title by clicking on the default text. Upload a logo if you have one, or skip this step. Next, move to the Pages tab in the sidebar. Click on Add Page to create a new page for your portfolio. Choose the type of page you want, like a gallery or project page. Name your new page according to the content it will showcase. To add images, click on the page you just created. Select photos from the options available. You can drag and drop images directly onto this section. Alternatively, use the Upload button to select files from your computer. Arrange your images as desired, and click Done. You can now customize the layout using the available options. To add text, click on the plus icon and select Text. Input your project descriptions or any relevant information. Adjust the text size, font, and alignment to match your style. Continue adding more pages if needed, following the same steps. Once all content is in place, preview your site. Check for any adjustments or corrections required. When everything looks good, click the Publish button. Choose a domain name for your portfolio site. You can use the default Adobe domain or connect a custom domain. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.